Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how you can clone your hard drive using Acronis Easy Migrate 7.0. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to this link, which will be in the description, and you want to get the demo version. Once you go through the setup there and all that, just go through the typical setup and everything, you're going to want to open it up. And see, I just suggest the trial because, you're not going to need this multiple times. Well, most people won't. So, add a new disk, and I'm going to plug in my external hard drive, and it'll pick it up. And, you can use a SATA drive, or like a SATA cable. What I'm using is the Xbox transfer cable, because it does hook up to any hard drive. So just as soon as that loads the driver software, then we'll get started. Alright, so say it's got my other wireless, which is a 200 or 300 gig. I just cloned it yesterday to my 500 gig, but what you want to do is add a new disk. Then next, and then it'll analyze the partition, which, for those of you who don't know what partition is, it's just basically a section where your operating system is. And it's analyzing all the sections that could have an operating system. See, and then I want to click the one that I have as my external. Next, you do want to delete the partitions, and no, you don't want to make a backup. But I'm not going to do that because I don't want to erase the hard drive. And then what you want to do is just clone, and then it's going to analyze the partition again. You just want to do it automatic, you don't need it. So select your old hard disk, which is going to be the one that's your internal at the moment. So you'd select it, you'd hit next, and then you'd hit the destination, so that'd be to this one. But of course I don't want to downgrade. After that, it'll copy everything, and then you'll have to do a few restarts, and then you put your external in as the internal, and it'll boot up with the Acronis boot manager. But after like 2 or 3 times booting up, it'll stop being laggy, because it'll lag for a little second because this hard drive's not used to everything. And then after that, the Acronis boot thing will go away, and it'll just be like normal. Thanks YouTube, hope you guys liked it. Subscribe, leave any comments, any questions. Bye.